Good morning, students. So, as you can see, there's an activity given taking a bath, time taken. So, these are the activities, these are the things that you do in your day to day life from morning till you sleep at night. So, you have to observe yourself that how much time do you take to take a bath, how much time do you take to wear your uniform, or you can write any dress right now because you're not wearing uniforms. So how much time do you take to comb your hair, how much time do you take to put on your shoes and packing your school bag, climbing to the stairs to reach your class, eating tiffin or eating lunch at home, dinner at home, and noting down the homework in the diary. So first you do this activity, then uh, we'll see what the story is all about. Okay. Did you find any difference in the time taken by you and your friends for doing the same activities? If yes, state the reason. Now, students, you can compare the time, not compare actually, but yes, you can discuss the time taken by you and your sibling or your cousin or your neighbor, or even you can contact your friends also. And maybe you may take 5 minutes to brush your teeth, the other student may take just 2 minutes to brush your teeth, or you are taking 10 minutes to take a bath, the other one is taking half an hour to take a bath. So just think why the other person is taking less time or more time. You have to state the reason. Okay. Time is extremely valuable. We cannot get back time once we have wasted it. Let us read a story to understand the importance of managing our time well. So, if time is valuable, we should value time, we should not waste it. And once you have wasted your time, it won't come back. Whatever time has gone, it won't come back. So you have to understand the importance of time. And how will you understand the importance of time and how will you use your time well? By managing it. Which work has to be given more time, which work has to be given less time. Okay, so let's come to the story. The ant and the grasshopper. One sunny morning, a grasshopper was hopping around, singing happily to himself. He suddenly noticed a group of ants crawling by. They were carrying grains of wheat and looked exhausted. Where are you going? Asked the grasshopper inquisitively. The first ant replied, We are going to a hill. This is the third grain that I am carrying. The grasshopper started laughing. He said, Stop working and join me. Live a little. Let's all sing and enjoy the summer. One of the ants said, We are saving food for winter. You should also store some food for yourself. Singing away, the grasshopper replied, Oh, come on, don't be silly. There is ample time for winter. Why struggle now? But the ants kept working. They continued picking and carrying the grains to their hill to store them. Months passed and winter finally arrived. The sun could rarely be seen, the days were short, and the nights were long, dark, and cold. So this is a story about ants and the grasshopper. So it was during summers, and it was one sunny morning. The grass was hopping around, means he was just playing and enjoying, and he was singing. So he noticed that there was a group of ants. They were carrying grains of wheat, and they were looking exhausted. Obviously, such tiny ants, they're carrying grains of wheat. So obviously, they'll get exhausted. They'll get tired. So then Grasshopper asked, What are you doing and where are you going? Then Ant said that we are going to a hill, and this is the third grain that we are carrying. Then Grasshopper started laughing that why are you working so much? Let's enjoy. So the ant said we are saving food for winter because in summer it's easier to get food, but during winters it becomes too cold and it's very difficult to come out of our homes. So, and one of the ants suggested him that you should also store food for yourself. Then Grasshopper replied, Oh, come on, don't be silly. There's ample time for winter. Why struggle now? But the ants kept working and they continued picking and carrying the grains to the hills and stored. Now, months passed and winter finally arrived. Now, the sun could rarely be seen. Now, the days were short and nights were long, dark, and cold. Soon it started snowing, and the fields as well as the plants were covered with a thick white blanket of snow. The ants were happy and safe in their home. They had enough food stored for themselves to survive the long winter. Now, the weather has changed. Earlier it was summer when the grasshopper was enjoying playing and doing nothing. Now it has, winters have come, and it was snowing, and the sun was hardly seen, and there was a white blanket of snow. The ants were happy because they had their food with them, and they did not need to go out to collect the food. So they were happy and safe in their home. They had enough food stored for themselves to survive the long winter. The grasshopper, however, had no home, no food. He was very cold and hungry. Almost in tears, he said to himself, "Where will I go? What will I do?" At that moment, he remembered the ants and went to seek for their help. To seek their help, the ant who opened the door got very angry to see the grasshopper. She said, "When we were working hard, you sang and danced and mocked at us." Another ant said, "Go out and sing now. We will not give you anything." The poor grasshopper was now left in the cold without any food. He realized that he had wasted his time making merry instead of storing and saving food for winter. Now the winters was there, and the field, each and every area was covered with snow, and ants were safe and happy at home, but the grasshopper had no home, no food, nothing to eat, nowhere to stay safe. Then he was feeling cold, he was feeling hungry, and he was almost going to cry. Then he remembered those ants and went to seek their help. Then the ants opened the door, and they got very angry to see the grasshopper. "When we were working hard, then you were making fun of me. Then you were singing and dancing and mocked at us. You were making fun of us. You were teasing us. But now," another ant said, "Go out and sing now. And we are not going to give you anything." So the grasshopper left out. He moved out because the ants were not ready to help him. Then he realized that he had wasted time to make merry instead of storing and saving food for winter. So, what is the moral of the story? We should make the best use of our time and plan ahead if we do not wish to face disappointment later. So, we should use our time. Suppose you have to complete any work, you know you have to complete it. It's not that if you don't do, then you will never have to do it. Anyhow you have to do it. So it's better you do it on time, so that you don't have to regret later, and you don't have to face any difficulty later on. So this is what this story is all about. Thank you, class.